Hey guys, in this video I would like to take a look at Google Plus, Google's latest attempt at a social network. In the past, they have tried with Orkut and Google Buzz, though they haven't been very successful. And I believe with Google Plus, they are trying to bring people away from Facebook. Um, you have probably already seen the Google Plus button around the internet. I believe it is a part of all of Google's search results now. So you can plus search results, etc. It's the equivalent of the Facebook like button. Let's get stuck into the interface. Um, you have probably noticed this top bar. It's along most of Google's websites, like web search, images, Gmail, etc. However, they've recently redone it. It didn't used to be black, but now the bar is black. And as you can see, it says plus mark at the top there. That's my Google Plus account. Now, I think that Google will be very successful with Google Plus in time if they have this bar along the top of all of their websites, including YouTube, with the Google Plus account on the top left-hand corner. That would definitely help them, it would definitely help them get new users, especially from YouTube. Let's look at the interface. Also in the top right hand corner, it's got my name, email. I can view my profile, circles, account settings, privacy, sign out, notification section. You can share just from the top, like you can do on Twitter now. And the good thing is, with Google Plus, you can choose what to share and who to share it with. You create what are called circles. So I have a circle here called family, a circle called friends, and you can also choose public if you want, the whole internet to be able to see it. And as you can see, a lot of people I've added haven't signed up yet. It's a bit hard getting people with Facebook accounts to try a new product I'm finding, which is really unfortunate. And here you will notice the stream. I'm only following 2 people at the moment, Lamar Wilson and Chris Perillo. You've probably seen them on YouTube. And on the left-hand side here, you have your profile picture, your name. There's a bit of a welcome screen which explains how how everything works. You can watch a video that explains how Circles works, how Hangouts works, and how Sparks works. It tells you how complete your profile is. I've done my name, profile picture, school and occupation. So here I have my different circles, which include friends, family, acquaintances, following. Though yeah, I just like to leave it on the following stream. Now let's take a look at photos. So photos from your circles, I can currently see photos that Lamar Wilson has uploaded. And I also have my own albums, profile pictures which everyone can see, and a few other pictures which only my friends and family can see, and obviously you can watching the video. And here's the profile. I quite like how you edit the profile. You can just click what you want to change. So there's my name, which is seen by anyone on the web. A bit of a catchphrase or slogan underneath it. You can add some photos to the top here. I have an introduction, which I can choose who can see. You can also format it with bold, italic, underline, which is pretty nice. It's seen by anyone on the web, or I can, choose specific circles, or only I can see it. Bragging rights, occupation, employment. The one thing I don't like about the employment part is the first job I ever had was at McDonald's. So if I was to search for myself on on Google Plus, it would come up with my name and the first career I ever had, or the first job, Though it would make a lot more sense if I had your most recent job rather than your first ever job in search results. Though hopefully they will notice that and change that relatively soon. You can put your education information. You can list all of the different places that you have lived, and it will show them on the map, which is pretty nice. Relationship, looking for, gender, whether or not you want to be visible in search results. You can also put links here. I have a Twitter and a YouTube link. And I already had my Twitter account linked to my YouTube account. So when I clicked on links initially, it already had the Twitter account there. I just had to click a tick to confirm it, which was pretty nice. Photos, videos. Videos doesn't seem to show up anything from YouTube at this stage, or not that I've noticed. I haven't tried. Let's see what happens when I click upload new videos. Yeah, you can upload them from your computer, though it doesn't seem to display them from Google Videos or YouTube or anything like that. And plus ones, I have clicked the plus one buttons on a few posts on Google Plus. However, they haven't appeared here. Maybe this section only works if you plus one a Google search result or something. It's also worth noting the View Profile As feature. Facebook has a very similar feature. At the moment, obviously I can see everything on my profile. Though if I was to type in Chris Pirillo and he was to take a look at my profile, this is what he would see. So that is a bit of a handy feature if you find it a bit confusing. I will show you my circles. I have invited a bunch of different people, though they have yet to accept or follow the invite really. So you have your friends circle. These are the default circles, by the way: friends, family, acquaintances, and following. They also have a button at the bottom here to send feedback if you want to tell Google what you think of the service. I might send a bit of feedback later. I believe there are a few glitches that a few people have noticed. It is also worth mentioning Hangouts. I have seen a demo on how Hangouts works. So basically, you could be on webcam with 3 or 4 different friends, and you could be, watching a YouTube video in the center of the screen, and it has, the 4 different webcams at the bottom, and you watch the video, in time with one another, in sync with one another. It is quite a handy feature. It reminds me of, the latest MSN. I don't use MSN anymore, though, how you could watch a YouTube video at the same time as the person you were chatting with. And there's also a chat section here, though this is one thing that I like about Google+. In Facebook, you sort of have to chat with all of your friends. So let's say there were some people that really annoy you, you just don't want to chat to them. You can actually specify what circle can chat with you. I believe I've got it set so anyone can chat to me really. So if I click circles, it's currently set on acquaintances, family, following, and friends. So I quite like that. The main advantage over Google Plus and how they are trying to steal people over from Facebook is with the whole privacy issue that Facebook has been having lately. When you post everything, it is pretty easy to specify who you want to see the post. It's a bit clearer than Facebook. On Facebook, you sort of click an arrow and then select on a drop-down list. It's a bit more clear. So I think Google Plus will appeal to. I think it will appeal to people that are worried about their privacy in general a bit more than Facebook. And it's also worth mentioning. You can also mention people. So I could say hi and then plus. Chris Pirillo, for example. On Twitter and I believe Facebook is the same. You use the @ sign. Though on Google Plus, you're obviously going to use the plus sign. The one thing I wish Google Plus had was hashtags like Twitter does. Though unfortunately it doesn't. It would be stealing the idea. From Twitter. However, it's a feature that I would really like. And the main obstacle for Google Plus is getting people over from social networks like Twitter and Facebook. A lot of people aren't willing to try new services. Though I am pretty impressed with the actual the actual website in general. They also have a mobile version of the website which you can access from your web browser. There is also an Android application and an iPhone application coming soon. So I'm quite impressed with it overall. The challenge is getting people to actually give it a chance and join. And it also, I don't know, it feels a bit like Twitter, Facebook, and Tumblr in one. It's hard to explain though. If you go and give it a try, you will understand what I am talking about. Though yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions or if you want an invite, send me a message, and thanks for watching.